pay for a professional Brazilian wax expecting perfection. But often, you're left with irritation and results that don't last. Today, we're revealing the 7 secrets salons hide from you to keep your skin healthy. Secret 1. The 4-week rule is a business tactic, not a skin requirement. Wait for your hair to reach the length of a grain of rice, or the wax will just break it. Secret 2. Skip the caffeine. Coffee increases your heart rate and skin sensitivity. Drinking coffee 3 hours before your appointment makes the pain significantly worse. Secret 3. Stop exfoliating 48 hours before you go. Over scrubbing removes a protective layer, causing the wax to lift your live skin. Secret 4. Look for the double dip. A new stick must be used for every single dip. If they reuse a spatula, they are contaminating the entire pot with bacteria. Secret 5. The temperature truth. Wax should feel warm and creamy, never hot. If the wax is watery and burning, the technician is rushing. This damages your skin barrier. Secret 6. No gym, and no tight clothes for 24 hours. Your pores are open. Friction and sweat are the leading causes of post-wax bumps. Secret 7. The real cure for ingrowns isn't expensive oils. It's salicylic acid. Apply it 3 days after your wax to keep follicles clear and the skin smooth. For more unfiltered health truths, subscribe to MTH Health. Stay smooth.